And we are live 1 minute early, guys. Waiting for you guys to join in. So we start exactly at 4. Are you guys there? Hello, everyone. Come on, join in 1 minute early because we want to start on time. Come on, guys.
Explain something.
Yeah. Come on. Let's start with 2 minutes of spot cardio. Are you guys ready? It's 4 p.m. guys. Show me some energy. I'm just going to dim this light. Yup. Are you guys ready? Let's play. Come on. Let's start with 2 minutes of spot cardio. Ananya is not coming today. She's not feeling well. And surprise. Okay, come on. Let's go. Anu, come on. 2 minutes of spot cardio, guys. Let's begin. Go. Come on. Give me spot jogs. Jumping jacks. Scissor jacks. Come on, guys. Let's go. Keep going. I want you guys to start increasing your heart rate, okay? Come on. Stop commenting. Get back to action. Come on. Let's go. Come on, 1 minute to go. Ananya, give me jumping jacks. What are you doing? Why so lazy? Come on. Okay, how many people do we have today? 183. Not bad. Come on, guys. Last few seconds. Give it your best. Last few seconds, guys. Give me scissor steps. Give me skips. Come on, skip. Warm your entire body up. Get ready for Teen Patti. I hope you guys have played this game. If not, we're going to play a better version of Teen Patti. Paise to nahi milenge, but you'll definitely get some action. Let's go. Last 30 seconds, guys. Last 30 seconds, guys. Let's go. Come on. Very good. Come on. Give me skips. Keep hopping. Keep moving your entire body. And you're almost there, guys. Time. Let's start with the warm-up. Okay, come on, give me ankle rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give me calf raises. Lean against the wall. This is my imaginary wall, okay? You have to lean against your real wall. And raise your calves. Go up and come down. Go up and come down. Up and down. Give me 5 reps, guys. Give me 5 reps. Come on. Let's go for your knee rotations. Hands softly placed on your knee. No putting pressure, okay? No putting pressure. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Anti-clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Give me front and back. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's do some leg stretches now. Let's open up those legs. Take support of the wall. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pull it towards your chest, okay? Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stretch your legs. Come on, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Give me hip openers now. Hold your leg and pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want you to pulse very softly, guys. Very softly, okay? No breaking your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Give me hip rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Give me side bend, guys. 1, 1. I'm not going to do that because I have an injury on my back. So follow Ananya on this one. 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, and 5. Come on, give me hand rotations now. Small circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clock, anti-clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Upwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Downwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hold. 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 Don't let your... My goal is to look like Ananya, and Ananya's goal is to look like the better version of herself, and slowly get your hands down. Slowly, slowly, and slowly. Give me some shoulder rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Give me next side to side. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and 5, 5. Now start spot jogging, guys, while I explain you how the workout of the day is going to be. Okay? Alright, spot jog, guys, spot jog. If you guys see, beginners and intermediate, after every patta, after every card, I have given a workout next to yours. Ananya is not my sister. I am her Masi, but you can call me her sister or whatever. Okay, so A stands for 3 inchworms for beginners and knee push-ups for intermediate guys. Guys, you guys already know these workouts, so I am going to do it with you guys, but please be mindful, okay? So here I am going to take out the first 3 cards, and whatever number or whatever alphabet you get, you are going to do the workout written next to that. Like for example, if you get 9, then you are going to do cross toe touches in beginner level and leg raises, which you did yesterday, in intermediate level. Okay, so are you guys ready? We're going to start our workout. And I'm picking, no cheating, I'm not going to cheat, so I'm going to pick first 3 cards for you. Your first card is Queen. It's a Q, guys. Note down your cards. Note down your cards. Your first card is Q. Your second card is, is this a 6? It's a 6, guys. It's a 6. So Q, 6, and K. Oh my God. Alright, so your first workout is going to be 4 reverse lunges for beginners and 6 reverse lunges for intermediate guys. Then you have 6, which is 5 burpees for beginners and 7 for intermediate guys. And K will be 30-second wall sit. Come on guys, let's begin. Let's begin. Come on guys, let's go for burpees. Come on. Ananya is going to do the beginner level so that we don't waste time and we do more. Alright. Oh my God, what's happening? Guys, there's the mic. Come on, let's begin guys. Let's begin. Your first workout is going to be burpees. Let's go for burpees.
reverse lunges.
Okay, let's go for reverse lunges. Come on, let's go for reverse lunges. Let's go. Intermediate guys, follow me. Beginners will follow Ananya. Come on. Beginners will go for 4 reverse lunges and intermediate guys are going to go for 6 reverse lunges. 1 each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then you're going to go for 6, which is 5 burpees for intermediate level and 7 burpees for 5 burpees is for beginners and 7 is for intermediate guys. Come on guys, go for burpees after your reverse lunges. You will take time to understand, just keep doing. Go for burpees guys, go for burpees. Beginners, you will sit down. 1, 1, 2, 2 and up. If you can't go down, take a chair and walk behind. 1, 1, 2, 2 and up. Come on guys, come on, buck up. Burpees, Ananya, I need your form to be proper. Come on. Your hip will not go down. Yes. Let's go. After you're done with this, you're going to do a wall sit where you are going to lean against the wall. This is the wall, okay? And you are going to sit in this position against the wall. Let me show it to you. You're going to sit against the wall like this and hold this position for 30 seconds. Sit against the wall like this and hold the position for 30 seconds. Okay guys? This is exactly how you have to do. Look at Ananya. Ananya, go down. Take your legs behind. Yes. Your legs have to be in a right angle, okay? And hold that body tight. If you fail, stand up and sit again. This is how you're going to do the wall sit, okay? Lean against the wall. Come on guys, 20 seconds to go. Hold, squeeze your glutes, Ananya, squeeze your glutes, come on. Let's go and I'm going to pick your next 3 cards. After you are done with this, you will start spot jogging. You will not wait. I want you guys to spot jog and not wait, okay? How can you finish? And time. Alright, your next 3 cards. I'm going to pick your next 3 cards, guys. Next 3 cards. 1, 2, and 3. So your next 3 cards are, I've not seen it. Oops.
Where are they?
Okay, you have 4, you have J, and you have Q. So beginners will do 20 skipping and intermediate guys are going to do 20 jumping jacks. Then you will go for 6 dead bugs in your beginner level and you are going to go for 10 dead bugs in your intermediate level and then you will go for reverse lunges, 4 in beginners and 4 in intermediate. Guys, after this I'm not going to repeat because I've already written the workout of the day. Let's begin. Skipping for beginners. Jumping jacks for intermediate guys. Come on guys, come on. I'm going to set a time. Come on guys. Let's go. I'm going to show you dead bugs after this. Dead bugs, intermediate guys, beginner guys, all of you guys are going to do it like this, okay? Hands in line with your shoulders, legs in 90 degree. Opposite hand and opposite leg go down and come back together. 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 Okay, you will go very slow, be mindful and only then will you get the form correct. Yes. Ananya, your hands have to be in line with your shoulder. Take your left leg down. Hands in line with your shoulder. Take your left leg down. And this hand stays. Okay? Now go. Bring that leg up. Go down. Go down. Yes. Now go down. This hand stays. Use your mind. 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 Yes, and time. Come on. Up, guys. Up, up, up. Quickly, quickly. Give me reverse lunges, everybody. Reverse lunges. Beginners will take support of the wall and go down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Intermediate guys, you guys will go for 6. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Keep spot jogging, guys. Keep spot jogging. Keep spot jogging. Keep spot jogging. I don't want you guys to take any break till I tell you to stop. You're going to go for 4 to 5 sets non-stop. Into 3 sets is the aim for the day, okay? So let's go for your next workout. 1, 2, and 3. I have taken out your cards and let's see what you have. Whoa! You have a 7, you have a 9, and you have a joker. You have a 7, you have 6 UK claps for beginners, you have 10 scissor steps for intermediate guys. Begin, begin, begin. Begin. You have a 7, you have a 9, and you have a joker. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, Ananya, come on. Intermediate guys, you guys are going to give me scissor steps. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Beginners, UK claps. Come on. I want to hear those claps. I want to hear those claps. Come on. After this, 9 cross toe touches for my beginners. Beginners, after this, you're going to give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're going to give me 10 such cross toe touches. And intermediate guys, guys are going to give me 10 leg raises. The one we did yesterday. You guys know all the workouts now. 1, 2, 3. So you're going to give me 10 leg raises, guys. 10 leg raises. And then 1 minute plank hold for both of you. Let's go for 1 minute plank hold. Let's go for 1 minute plank hold. Take your positions. Beginners, if you can't hold it for 1 minute directly, you will fall down, get up again. Hands exactly below your shoulders. Exactly below your shoulders. पीछे लो हाथ. अंदर लो थोड़ा. Yeah. Go behind. Go behind. I mean take your legs behind. Hip down. This is how you're going to hold. Beginners, follow me. 1 minute plank hold, guys. 1 minute plank hold. Hands below your shoulders. Yeah. And you will hold. I don't want your plank to be like this or like this, okay? It has to be straight. Keep holding, and keep holding. Come on, guys. 30 seconds to go. 30 seconds to go. 30 seconds to go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, the timer has been set for planks. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's go. Getting ready for your nut set. Come on, guys. Push yourself. Push yourself. Great going, Ananya. 30 seconds more. 30 seconds more. Come on. Push. Push. Keep breathing. Nobody will hold your breath. And time. Time, Ananya. Time.
No, I started 10 seconds after.
Okay. Keep spot jogging, guys. I want you guys to keep spot jogging, okay? Keep spot jogging. I'm also sweating. Look, I'm not even working out and I'm sweating already. Okay, your next 3 cards are 1, 2, and 3. Let's see. I've not seen a 2, okay? So your next 3 cards are 4, 8, and 10. 4, 8, and 10. Again, 20 skips. No. 4 plank high five for beginners, elbow to plank for intermediate guys. 8 is going to be 30-second hollow hold for beginners and intermediate guys. and 10 will be quick feet for both of y'all. 20 seconds quick feet for beginners and 30-second quick feet for intermediate guys, okay? I am going to show you guys number 4 is what? 20 skips and 20 jumping jacks.
Show 8 now.
Yeah, so let's begin with 4 first. Let's begin with 4. 20 skips, 20 jumping jacks in the intermediate level, guys. Come on, speeden up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ananya, I want your feet to go higher this time. Higher, 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 higher. Skip, skip, skip. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. 20 skips and 20 jumping jacks. Then 8. 8 is going to be 30-second hollow hold. Beginners, look at me. Lie down. Legs 90 degree. Hands straight in line with your shoulder, and you will hold. You will hold for 30 seconds. Intermediate guys, I want you guys to push your leg away and your hands away and slightly lift your shoulder and hold. Intermediate guys, you will lift your neck up and your shoulder, take your legs behind, hands behind and hold. Beginners, you are going to lie flat on the ground, legs 90 degrees, hands in line with your shoulder and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. Down, baby, down. Okay, your next workout is going to be, beginners will go for a 20-second quick feet and intermediate guys are going to go for a 30-second quick feet. In quick feet, you're going to hold your hands tight. I'm going to show you this way. Keep legs slightly wider than your hip, okay? Legs wider than your hip. Legs wider than your hip and just run. Just run as fast as you can, okay? Your time starts now. You will land only on your toes. Go. Keep your legs wide, Ananya. Legs wide. Yeah, like this. Let's go, guys. Beginners can stop. 3 seconds more for intermediate guys. And time. Walk around, breathe. Sip some water. We did 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Walk around, breathe, sip some water, and we will start the second set of 4 cards. 3 cards where we pick it 4 times once again. Okay? Let's go. You guys are doing great, huh? How's it going? Are you enjoying this game? You guys can talk to me when you're on a break. Not while you're working out. If you're taking a break, then you can talk to me. But keep moving around. Aage, piche. Sip thoda sa pani. I don't want you guys to flush yourself with water, okay? You have to keep moving around and just move around, okay? Just move around. And we're going to start the next set in the next 30 seconds. So get back to position, guys. Get back to position. Get back to position, and I'm going to pick your first 3 cards of the round 2. Okay, I've picked the top 3 cards this time. I've been very lazy. So here you go. Wow. You have 6, 8 and 9. 6 is 5 burpees for beginners and 7 burpees for intermediate guys. 8 is 30-second hollow hold and 9 is cross toe touches for beginners. And what are you guys doing? Leg raises again for intermediate guys. So let's go, guys. Your time starts now. Let's go for burpees. Beginners will do 5 and intermediate guys will do 7. Your hip will not go down. Beginners, follow my instructions. right leg behind, left leg behind, right leg ahead, left leg ahead and stand. Okay? Intermediate guys, you will go down, hop behind, hop in front and give me that jump, damn it, jump! Come on, let's go, let's go. Let's go guys, let's go. After this, you guys are going to give me a 30-second hollow hold. After you are done, you will go for a 30-second hollow hold. I'm going to set the timer for you guys. Take your positions. Are you done? Yeah. Okay, after this, you will go for a 30-second hollow hold. Beginners will not lift. Intermediate guys, you will lift your hands. Push your legs away, push your hands away and lift your shoulder and hold. Intermediate guys will lie flat on the ground. Sorry, beginners. Your time starts now. Hold, hold, hold. Ananya, pick your shoulders up. Yeah. Behind, keep breathing, keep breathing, keep breathing. Pick your shoulders up. Keep breathing. Keep breathing, Ananya. Keep breathing. Very good, guys. Let's go. No, I don't want you to do all these workouts in line. It will not be fun. Don't do that. 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. Come on, get up and give me cross-toe touches. Beginners. And leg raises for intermediate guys. Intermediate guys, leg raises for you. Come on. Chalo, let's go. Cross-toe touches. Spread your legs, spread your hands. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And up. And up. Come on, Ananya. Come on. Picking your next 3 cards. Next 3 cards. Walk around, breathe. Walk around, breathe. You will have to start from day 1 if you are new. Please do not start randomly. 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, your next 3 cards are, you're going to repeat something twice. So it's going to be 3, 3 and 9. 3, 3 and 9. So you are going to do 4 plank high fives 2 times and elbow to plank to 4 times for intermediate guys. And then 9 again. Okay, so 3, 3, 9. Guys, just watch this. Okay, plank high five beginners. You are going to come in plank position, hand below your shoulder. This is high plank. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And you will go down. You will repeat it 2 times because you have 3 twice. And intermediate guys, you will go elbow to plank. So come on your plank position. Push your hands up and go down again. Push your hands up and go down again. Okay? So this is your elbow position. And you will do 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay? Let's go. Elbow to plank for intermediate guys. And then you will do plank high five.
Yeah.
Okay, so high plank. Plank high five will be.
Restart.
Yes, please start. 1, 2, 3, 4. For beginners, you will do this 2 times. 4 into 2 times. Come on guys, come on. Intermediate guys, I'm showing you the elbow to plank once again. Come in plank position. You will push your hands and rise up to high plank. Go down. Push your hands, rise up to high plank. Go down to elbow again. Push your hands and rise up. Go down again. Okay? You will do this set twice because you have 3, 3 and 9. 3, 3 and 9.
So when you say 4 plank high fives, you give 4, then you stop and then...
Yeah, then you do it again. So it's 3,
sets.
3 and 9. Okay? Come on guys, come on. After After you guys are done with 2 sets of number 3, you will go to number 9. Beginners, you will give me cross toe touches 10 times. And leg raises for intermediate guys. Lie down flat on the floor. Keep your legs straight. Your back, lower back has to be tucked to the ground. You will go down as much as you can and come back up. 1, 2, 3. Ananya is doing the beginner level. I am doing the intermediate level, guys. Intermediate level. Come on, push yourself. Get ready for the next set. Lipsa, everything has been mentioned in the workout of the day. Please be mindful and attentive. It is 10 leg raises for intermediate guys. Come on guys, be attentive. Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay. So this was the 5th one, right? 6th one? Okay. The second last one for the second set. Are you guys ready? Ananya, come here. I want you to pick 3 cards. Okay, Ananya is going to pick 3 cards now. Pick any 3, okay? Brace yourself. 1, 2, and 3. And show it to them.
There we go. We have 2, 4 and a queen.
2, 4, and 3.
2, 4 and a queen.
Oh, wow. Okay, so you're going to do squats and 20 skips and reverse lunges. Okay, guys. Squats. 4 squats for beginners. Your numbers are 2, 4, and Q. Note it down. 2, 4, and Q. Let's go with beginners. 4 squats. You will keep your leg in line with your shoulders, okay? And you will hold the wall if you can't do it without a wall support. And go down. Your knee and toe has to be in the same line, okay? Same line. 4 squats, and intermediate guys are going to give me squat and jump and squat and jump and squat and jump 4 times, okay? Come on guys, push yourself. After this, immediately you will go for 20 skips, and intermediate guys are going to go for 20 jumping jacks. Come on, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. You will start feeling the effects, Simi. Be patient. 20 skips and 20 jumping jacks. And then you will go for reverse lunges. 4 reverse lunges for beginners and 6 for intermediate. Reverse lunges. 1. Push yourself ahead. Sit down and push yourself ahead. From the front leg. Down and push. Down and push. Come on guys, let's go, let's go. You guys are nailing it today. Very good. Keep going. No pain, no gain. Come on guys, you guys are killing it today. Done?
Yeah.
Alright. Last round of the second set, guys. Last round of the second set. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Okay, because this fell down, number 8, J, and 9. 8, J, and 9. 8, J, and 9. So you're going to go for 30-second hollow hold. Then you will go for your 9 cross, touch, and you intermediate guys will do leg raises, and 9 and J is going to be dead bug. 6 for beginners and 6 for intermediate guys. Come on guys, let's start with 8. 30-second hollow hold. Lie down on the floor for 30-second hollow hold. I'm going to keep a timer for you guys, okay? Timer for you guys. Time starts now. 30-second hollow hold. Ananya, lift your shoulders up. Up, up, Peach, mundi seedha. Look at the ceiling. Lift yourself up. Lift yourself up. Yeah. Now look at the ceiling. And hands behind. Look at the ceiling. Yes. Hold this position. Come on, guys. 30-second hollow hold. Intermediate, guys. Follow me. Intermediate, guys. You're going to be in this position. Raise your head, hands and legs pushed behind. And beginners will keep your hands and legs straight. And time. Come on, get up and go for your next set. Ooh. Let's go for J, guys. Let's go for that. Let's go for dead bugs, guys. Let's go. Let's go for dead bugs. 6 dead bugs for intermediate level. Sorry, beginners, and 10 for no, Ananya. Be mindful. Don't hurry. Mindful. Give me that hand. Drop. Up. Drop. Up. Drop. Up. Slowly drop your hands and get. Opposite hands and opposite legs. Opposite hands and opposite legs. Opposite hand and opposite legs. Come on. Are you done with 6? You're done with 6. Come on. Okay. Now you're going to go for cross toe touches. Everybody, cross toe touches. Cross toe touches, guys. In the beginner level, you will go for cross toe touches and leg raises. For the intermediate, guys, leg raises. Come on, guys, let's go. Push yourself. Last one for the second round, guys. Give it your best. Leg raises. Hold your core tight. Hold that core tight, okay? Push yourself. Tuck your lower back to the ground. Tuck your lower back to the ground and push yourself. Go slow. Come up slow. Go slow and come up slow. Come on, guys. Are you done? Yeah. And time. Finish your set. Walk around. Sip some water. Breathe. Breathe and breathe, and we will go for the last set after this, round 3 again.
Last set?
Yeah. Round number 4, and then we'll go do some donkey kicks if we have the time. Come on, guys, sip some water, breathe, walk around. And anybody who will talk nonsense on this live video will be blocked in the next 10 minutes. So guys, if you want to work out and if you are really serious about this challenge, then you can be a part of this. I do not want you to just, randomly keep talking and talking rubbish and demotivating people, okay? We are here for a good cause. We are here to make change in our lives, and only if you want to do that, be a part of it. Otherwise, you can please excuse all of us, because we are here to change our lives, okay? So do not disturb. Okay, we are going to start with the last round after I sip some water. So walk around, breathe, and make sure your last round is going to go quickly, okay? Last round is going, do we have to touch knee? Do you have to touch knee for which workout, Sachin? Please ask me clearly. If you guys have just joined, start from day 1. The day 1 live session has been posted already, okay? So you have to touch knee for reverse lunges. No, you do not touch your knee down for reverse lunges, okay? You will not touch your knees. You will go down. See, my knee is not getting touched, okay? And you will push yourself from the front leg and come up. Go down and push yourself from the front leg and come up, okay? Come on, guys. Let's begin round 3, right? Yeah, this is round 3. First set of round 3. Are you guys ready? Okay. I'm going to pick 3 cards, okay? Let's go, let's go, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, so you have a 3. Please note down. You have a 3. You have a 8. And you have a 9 again. I'm sorry. But 3, 8 and 9. Let's go guys, let's go. 3 is going to be plank high five for beginners and elbow to plank push up for intermediate guys. Let's go for number 3. Come on Ananya, let's go for number 3. You're going to go for 4 plank high fives, okay? 1, 2, 3 and 4, okay? Intermediate guys, follow me. You're going to go from elbow to plank, high plank, okay? Come in your plank position. Push 1, 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3, 3, okay? And beginners, you will watch me. Come in a high plank position. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, you go for 8, which is a 30-second hollow hold. Lie down guys. I'm going to start your timer. 30-second hollow hold for intermediate and beginners. Let's go. Yes, Ananya, perfect. Perfect position. Come on guys, let's go for hollow hold. Hold. Press that core. Let your core burn. Come on, hold your core tight. If I punch you on your core, you should be able to take it. Hold. Press. Press. Breathe. 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 Yes. Come on guys. Come on. Last 2 seconds. And time. Yes, you will shiver when you are doing hollow hold. Your whole body will shiver because your entire body is working on that core, okay? Alright. Let's go for the last workout. 10 cross-toe crunches for beginners and 10 leg raises for intermediate guys. Ananya will do the cross-toe touches. Intermediate guys, lie down on the floor and give me leg raises. If you guys can't do leg raises, you can do cross-toe touches. If you guys can't do leg raises, if it is hurting, you can go for cross-toe touches that Ananya is doing, okay? I'm going to get ready for your next 3 cards in the meanwhile. Come on guys, let's go. Your next 3 cards. Oh, look at my hair. Okay, you have a 4, you have a 6, and you have a 9. So you have a 20 skip, 20 jumping jacks for beginner and intermediate, 4. Then you'll go for your burpees and then you'll go for number 9. Okay, let's begin guys. Let's begin. 4, 20 jumping jacks for intermediate guys and skipping for beginners. Come on, skip, skip, skip. Come on guys, you're doing great today. Let's go, let's go. After this, you will immediately go for your burpees. Immediately go for your burpees. Immediately go for your burpees. Yes. Come on Ananya, come on. Push. Hold that core tight Ananya. I want you to hold your core tight. Breathe out when you push behind. Breathe out, come in front. Breathe out. And up. Breathe in, jump, go down, breathe out. Breathe out, come in front and breathe out. Come on, very good, very good. Come on guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Don't worry about what is next. Keep focusing on your current workout. Let's go guys. Come on guys, this is the last set. Last set guys, last set. Come on. You will go for number 9, the workout which is next to number 9 now. You will go for cross-toe touches and leg raises once again. If you can't do leg raises, please go for cross-toe touches, okay? If you can't go for leg raises, go for cross-toe touches. Okay, your next workout is A, 3 and 7. So you guys will go for A, 3 and 7. After this, You guys are going to go for 8, 3 and 7. A is 3 inchworms for beginners, and push-ups, knee push-ups for intermediate level. Intermediate guys, if you cannot do knee push-ups, give me 5 inchworms in that. Okay, give me 5 inchworms if you cannot do knee push-ups. Okay, then you will go for your elbow to plank, intermediate guys, and plank high five for beginners. And then we will go for UK claps and scissor steps. Come on guys, let's begin. A. Let's go for A. Beginners, follow me for inchworm. You will walk, 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 walk and come back. Now knee push-ups, intermediate guys. Your knee has to be hip width apart. Cross your legs. Hands slightly ahead of the shoulder. Push your body ahead and just touch your upper body down and up. Down and up. Even if you're not getting a full range, it is okay. Start practicing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on guys. If you are not able to do knee push-ups, intermediate guys will give me 5 inchworms. Come on guys, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. You're doing great. You guys have hardly taken in all a 2-minute break in this entire 45-minute session. So you guys, great work man, great work. Come on Ananya, come on, come on, come on, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. After this, you are going to do number 7. 6 UK claps for beginners and scissor steps for intermediate guys. Where? Oh, you're on number 3? Okay, you will do number 3 first. 4 plank high five and elbow to high plank for intermediate guys. Intermediate guys, follow me. Get on a plank position. Push from your hand and go to high plank. Come down. Push. Down. Up. Down. Up. And kill it. Come on guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Number 7. Go for UK claps. Beginners go for UK claps. Intermediate will go for scissor steps. Come on. Last set, last set, last set after this. Last set guys. I'm going to pick your last 3 cards. Picking last 3 cards. Picking last 3 cards guys. Are you ready? You have a 6, you have a 9, ooh, and you have a J, okay? So 6, 9 and a J. Let's go guys, let's go for burpees, followed by UK claps and scissor steps, and then dead bugs. Come on guys, start with burpees. Your 6 is burpees, 9 is your cross toe touches and leg raises, and J is dead bugs. Come on guys, going for last set guys, last set, burpees. Kill it, these are my favorite exercises. I love burpees, burpees is life guys, burpees is life. Come on guys, come on. Let's go guys, let's go. Come on guys, Ananya, no jerking, no jerking. Breathe out. Yeah, control your body. You will go slow this time. Hold. Legs together when you're coming back, okay? Yeah, now come in front, hold and jump. No jerking. I don't want you to jerk. Come on, go down. Slowly, hold. Come back, hold. Go up, hold. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Come on guys, come on. 6 burpees. Then we have 9 Cross toe touches for beginners and leg raises for intermediate guys. Come on. Let's go. Cross toe touches.
Yeah.
Beginners, cross, 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 cross. Intermediate guys are going to give me leg raises for that lower ab. Come on guys. Let's kill it. Followed by dead bugs. Let's go guys. Last workout. Last workout. Last workout. Let's go guys. Let's go. Come on. Come on guys. This is our last workout and you guys have killed it as usual. Day 6 guys and going strong. Day 6 and going strong. Superb. So proud of you guys. Killed it today. Killed it. You guys nailed it guys. Nailed it. Come on. Dead bugs. Focus. Focus. Okay? Focus.
That goes on towards here.
Yeah. Focus. Focus. This will stay. Focus. Slowly, beta. Slowly. The slower you go, the more mindful you are going to be. Slow. Yes. Slow. Come on. Super. Go slow. Yes. Go slow. Keep going. Keep going. Push yourself. Hold your core tight. Hold your core tight. Hold your core tight. Hold your core tight. You can also lift your shoulder if you want. It's going to get difficult. Come on. And the workout of the day. 3 patti ka game khatam ho chuka hai. You guys, congratulations. It was a good game guys. It was a good game. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I hope you guys had fun. It was amazing. And let's go for some stretches. And I think today Instagram is probably going to block this live video because unfortunately the music started playing. So I'm going to save it first and then post it. Let's go for some stretches guys. Come on, get up. Come on, let's go for some stretches. Keep your legs in line with your hip. Legs in line with your hip. Go down and start pulsing. Pulse, 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 pulse. If you can touch the floor without any issues, then please touch the floor. Okay, but do not bend your knees. Do not bend your knees. Come on guys, let's stretch and then we will talk. Come on, get up. Get up. I want you guys to go side and come back. Side and come back. Side and come back. Side and come back. Give me side to side. 5 side to sides. Come on, give me side to sides. Stretch guys, stretch. We'll talk later. Stretch. Come on. Come on. Spread your legs wide and try and hold your toes. Even if you can't hold your toes, it's okay. You can hold, you can just go down till your knee or wherever you can. But if you can touch your toes, just touch and start pulsing. Pulse, 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 pulse and get back up. Give me some hand stretches. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, give me some breathing. Let's start with some breathing. Let's start with some breathing. Ready? And here we go. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. The light will break. Come on, give me one more. Breathe in. And breathe out, guys. We are done for the day. Amazing workout. You guys killed it as usual. We are on day 6 and I'm going to see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a core dominant workout. So get ready for tomorrow and I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Okay, lots of love. Thank you for coming. Thank you for working on your body. Thank you for working on yourself. And we love you. Okay, thank you Ananya. You did great. You killed it as usual. And yes, we're going to see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Lots of love. Stay positive. Eat well. Eat clean. And go. Bye.